lipsticks are very hard to find in India, isn't it? First of all, find the ingredients list of the lipsticks, then go through each item, search for the meaning of the ingredient. If you don't know, contact the company or the brand if there is no ingredient list, or if you don't understand something from their ingredients list. Very time consuming, isn't it? But fret not, I have done all of this for you, and I bring for you 5 vegan lipsticks which are also cruelty free and are very easily available in India, also online, in stores. And the best part is that all of these lipsticks are long staying and you don't have to worry about touching up your lipstick again and again. So stay tuned. Vegan lipsticks which are also cruelty free and are also available in India easily and have a long staying power coming right up for you. Hi my ethical angels, welcome back to Be Beautethical. If you're new here, I'm Archana and my channel is all about cruelty-free beauty. I help you ease into a cruelty-free beauty world one step at a time. So let's get right into the video, but before that, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so that your notifications are on and you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So I don't always say it in my videos, but be sure that whatever products I mention in my videos or whatever products I'm wearing on my face in my videos are going to be mentioned down in the description box. I'm also going to put the links to the mentioned products down below in the description box. So make sure you check those out, because if you want to know more details about the products or the lipsticks that I'm going to mention today, there will be a link in the description box which will take you directly to the product, so you can see more reviews, you can see shades, you can see other product details if that is what you want to. So make sure you check the description box out. And also, before we go further into this video, I want to make it clear that this is not a swatch video. There are going to be no lip swatches or hand swatches. I am just going to give you information on lipsticks which are vegan and cruelty free and easily available in India and long staying. So now that all of that is out of our way, let's get right into the video. I have 5 vegan lipsticks for you today in this video, and all the 5 lipsticks are from 5 different brands which are easily available in India, and all of them are cruelty free. All the 5 brands are cruelty free. So recently I did a video in which I have explained the difference between cruelty free and vegan, and if you missed that video, I will link it down below. And let's get started with the first lipstick. So the first vegan lipstick that we are talking about today is from Colorbar, the Colorbar Nude Lip Color. This range of Colorbar has only nude shades and 8 of them, which are suitable for Indian skin tones. The formula is great, it is long staying, it doesn't transfer much, and it does not dry out your lips. I'm going to link these lipsticks down in the description box, so do check it out for more details about the lipsticks, the shades, and also for the reviews to see what other people are saying about these lipsticks. Now the second lipstick that we're talking about today is from Chambord. Chambord is a completely cruelty-free brand and is also free from animal ingredients. So you can actually pick any lipstick from Chambord really. But today we are talking about the Chambord Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Lipstick. It comes in 19 different shades and not very drying on the lips. It's quite pigmented, is long lasting, and more or less transfer proof. I'll add a link to this product also in the description box for you to check it out more in detail. The third vegan and cruelty free lipstick that we're talking about today is from Gerard Cosmetics. It is the most famous Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick. It comes in a whopping 48 shades, and so a lot of options to choose from. It dries down complete matte on the lips, is long staying, and the formula is super pigmented. However, the Smudge Me Not lipsticks are not my favorite. They dry out my lips like nobody's business. My lips crack so bad. I have to apply a lip balm before and after applying the Smudge Me Not lipstick. And still after some time it just comes off from places and it does not look cute. So this is not my favorite, but I have seen reviews of Smudge Me Not. People rave about this lipstick, so that is why I have included this. Maybe it's just me, maybe this happens just to me, because I will put a link in the description box. Do check it out. There are some 4,000 odd people who have reviewed this lipstick, and most of them seem to like it. So I thought, let me include that also in this list, because A lot of people seem to like it, and it's cruelty free and vegan. So if it works for you, then nothing like it. The fourth lipstick that we're talking about today, which is both cruelty free and vegan, is the Nykaa Painstix. Not all Nykaa lipsticks are vegan, but this is an exception. Nykaa Painstix is a vegan and cruelty free lipstick. And this is slightly more affordable than the rest of the three lipsticks that we've spoken about today in this video. And again, this has a really good shade range of 30 shades. It's not drying on the lips, it's long lasting and super pigmented. It does not transfer on touch and is not completely matte but still quite long lasting. So do check it out. I will put a link in the description box down below with all of the other lipsticks. And the last lipstick that we're talking about today in this video is the Pure Lips Moisturizing Lipstick from Iba Halal. I'm super impressed with the formula. It is one of my favorite lipsticks and I did not expect it to perform so well. When I had tried it for the first time, I thought it's a moisturizing lipstick. It will not stay for a long time, but I was very pleasantly surprised when even after a meal, the lipstick actually stayed intact. I was not careful while I was eating food because I thought it's anyway going to go, what's the point? I will reapply it after my meal. But to my surprise, the lipstick stayed put even when I was not careful. So I'm really impressed with these lipsticks and I bought more shades after that. It is super affordable, 200 rupees each lipstick, and it is not transfer proof but it is super long lasting and it is moisturizing on the lips. It does not dry down complete matte, which is something I prefer. I don't like my lipsticks drying down completely matte and drying out my lips. It comes in 22 different shades, which is not bad at all. It is halal certified, vegan and cruelty free. And on top of all this, it has no sulfates, no parabens, and is alcohol free. So those were all the 5 lipsticks that I have for you today, which are both vegan and cruelty free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give a thumbs up if you did. And as I mentioned, there will be links down in the description box of all the lipsticks that I have mentioned today. So make sure you check out the description box and click on the links if you want to know more details or more reviews or want to check out the shades. Whatever it is, you can click on the link and go directly to the product. Thank you so much for being here and watching this entire video. Do give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video or if you found it informative, and do share it with your friends and family who might be looking for a vegan and cruelty-free lipsticks or vegan or cruelty-free lipsticks. That will also do. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications button. Keep your notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I will see you again very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.